Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maggie Mabunga from Kenya in East Africa. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for taking your time to just come back and watch my videos and support me. And if you come across my videos for the first time, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's keep on subscribing. Yeah, so it's harvest time in the village and everything is a little bit busy. There's a lot of activities to be done, and yeah, it's really tiresome, but we have to do what we have to do. So guys, as you can see here, I have to remove the maize or the corns from the maize cobs, and so that we can be able to dry the maize and use it later to make corn flour, yeah, for cooking ugali. And ugali is a Kenyan staple food, so it's really not easy to do this kind of job. My fingers are a little bit sour because we've been doing this for days, and there's a lot of maize to be removed from the cobs, and yeah, it's really not an easy task. So we have to keep going and keep doing this, because this is something that we'll have to eat later. Yes. After finishing, we use the cobs to as a source of firewood. When it's dry, it really lights up very fast. So the cobs are a source of firewood. Later on, we're going to use them, and they are really nice. So I had to get a little help from my little bunny cousin. She's really a destroyer, but it was really amazing for her to help. So that's what she was doing.